what is the meaning of multiple inheritance? What is the meaning of multiple inheritance? And we're going to see about what is the meaning of access specifiers, and we're going to see about what is the meaning of partial classes, and we're going to discuss about one more topic, that is generics. Clear, all of you? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
first we'll try to understand what is the meaning of multiple inheritance. Okay, multiple inheritance. Even I told you people, whenever we are discussing about the types of inheritance, I told you that multiple inheritance is a dangerous inheritance. We're going to discuss that topic after completion of interface concept. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
In the diagram of the inheritances, the multiple inheritance would be having how many parents and how many childs?
Two parents, one child.
Two or many parents or one child? Awesome, Manoj.
Two parents.
Yeah, two parents, two and two, or else it would be having more than two also. Two
Oh,
parents or one child. Yes.
yes, ma'am.
Observe here, what is the problem here, we'll see. See, observe here all of you very carefully. I am taking the class as parent 1. Okay, class parent 1 will be having the function, that is function 1. Okay. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
the same way, can I take the class P2, that is parent 2, can have another function, that is the same function name with F1. Clear? Now,
Yes.
whenever my class child is inheriting from P1 and P2. So, one child can have how many parents now?
Two parents. Two.
One child with many parents scenario would be calling what?
Multiple.
Multiple inheritance. That is awesome. Now, observe here the scenario. Now, in child class, that is class C, when I'm trying to call the function, that is F1. So, what is the problem whenever you are calling the function F1 in C class? So, this
It
function
does not
F1 would
understand.
be there in both parent 1 and parent 2, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So, whenever you are calling only F1, the system will get a situation that, array, you are calling which class F1, that is P1 F1 or P2 F1.
Mm-hmm.
Suppose the example that I have a class. In the class, 60 people are there. In that 60 people, I have two Manojas. With the name Manoj and Manoj, I have two people. When I'm calling Manoj, the two Manojas will get a confusion that, which one the trainer is calling. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
So to overcome that ambiguity in the sense confusion, to overcome that in the interviews also, and other than confusion, you people need to tell ambiguity. That is a technical word. The system will get ambiguity situation that, which Manoj you are calling. So to overcome this issue, we are calling with the initial, right? One Manoj is having an initial as A and the other Manoj is having the initial as B. So A Manoj I can call, that time the clarity would be there, right? Which Manoj I am referring to.
Yes.
So the
Yes, ma'am.
same way here also, we need to call with class name dot method name. Suppose I want to call the first parent class F1 method. See, just parent 1 dot F1. Simple. So at the time, which F1 will call? That is present in
First
class.
parent.
First class.
So there is no ambiguity situation now, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Now, whenever I'm calling P2 dot F1, at that time it will call like this one. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Mm-hmm.
one more thing, listen here all of you very carefully. Whenever you are working with inheritance concept, must and should the parents would be at least one interface. Here two parents are there, right? Must and should one parent would be interface. One parent would be interface. Okay. Now observe here how to do this. We'll see now. Why one, at least one parent would be interface, that you people try to refer it in the Google once. If you people are not able to get it, I'll explain you people later. Okay,
Okay.
that is the first topic you people to learn today. Now see, interface, the interface name is I1. Okay, interface name is I1. So the method name I'm taking as, what is the method name here?
Void F1.
Void.
By default the methods that are present in the
Public.
interface are
Abstract.
public and abstract. Correct?
Abstract.
So it is not
Yes.
required you to give again public and abstract.
Yes.
Directly you can
Yes.
take return type and method name.
Yes.
So can I take
Return.
one more interface, that is I2, and now void, void f1. Clear? Now
Yes.
I'm trying to take my child class. Class is sample. The sample class is inheriting from parents. What are the parents here?
I1 and
I1,
I2.
I2.
Very good. Now here, what is the inheritance inheritance definition? What all the methods that are present in an interface must and should need to implement in.
Child class.
Now if I'm trying to build it, how many errors will come?
Two errors.
What are
Error.
those?
F1 and
Uh,
F2, two methods.
No, F1 only, right? I1, F1 not
Yeah, yeah.
implemented, I2,
Yeah.
F1 not implemented.
yes, yes, yes. Mm-hmm.
Can we see now? See, see, I1, F1, I1, F1 and I2, F1. Clear?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Now we'll see this. Okay. Now we'll see this. Public void I1 dot F1. So whenever you are calling this, there is no confusion to the system now, right? So
Mm-hmm.
console
Yes.
dot write line. I'm coming from I1 interface and F1 method. Clear? Now the same way I'm trying to take public void I2 dot F1. So whenever you are taking like this, so again system will not be get the confusion that I'm coming from I2 interface, I2 interface. So